What you say? Malamig ang paa mo. Why, huh, baby? Why? You're sick? Oh, poor baby. Poor baby is sick. What you want? What you want? What do you want to eat for dinner so you feel better?
I don't wanna go to work.
Aww. I'll prepare something for you special.
I wanna stay home.
Yan. Mabuti sa ekonomiya natin yan. Magaling. Anyamatan.